Borders are physical, but power is already digital. We trade globally, work remotely, and build lives online, yet we still live under systems made for worlds that no longer exist. That's the problem Meta Earth is solving. We're building the framework for digital nations, not to replace countries, but to extend what they can't reach. Imagine a world where a teacher in Kenya earns directly from a student in Japan, instantly, without intermediaries. A startup in Brazil can raise funds globally and operate under clear, transparent digital rules. A citizen in Turkey can vote on digital policies that actually shape how their online community runs. These aren't utopian ideas, they are logical steps. Once you have verified identity, transparent governments, and a common digital economy, Meta Earth connects these systems into one network, a digital twin world. Every country, region, and community can run its own node, representing its own governance, economy, and citizens, all linked through the Me Hub, a global coordination layer where digital nations meet, trade, and collaborate. The 20th century built physical nations, the 21st will build digital ones. The question is not if, it's who will design them responsibly. At Meta Earth, we're designing the blueprint for the next chapter of civilization, where digital systems serve people, not the other way around. That's the future of humanity in the digital world, and it's already being built.